So now I want to create a flat roof for this particular building. So the first thing I'm just going to do is to check these particular levels. You see we have about 1, 2, 3, we have 4 levels here. So this particular parapet here is the normal, should I say, now we have our first floor here. So now all the walls that are starting from this first floor to this point, they are 3 meters. So now if you want to fix our roof on a normal sense, our roof is supposed to be on this level. So if our roof is on this level, it's not that it's not that good. So we are going to add a wall. We are going to increase the height of the walls so that we'll hide our roof inside, right? So now these walls, we'll select them. We'll select this. We'll select all this. Select them. Select this. Okay, so I think this will be it. So all I did here, what I imply here is that all these ones are the ones that are going to rise, like they are going to cover the roof. That means if you want to fix our roof, the roof will be falling backward toward this place. So all these roof, they are like parapet, they are going up more than the normal level of it was supposed to stay. Yeah, so now let's check this top offset. We'll make it 1200 and apply. Okay, so you notice that the height has increased, right? So let's just go back to our front elevation and see. So you notice it before all these ones, they actually on this level. So now they've increased. So if you want to put our roof, we are going to put our roof in this particular parapet level. So let's start to do it practically. So let's bring this to the top view. Just come on your roof, then change the level to parapet. Yes, so let's use this particular pick line. So we are going to pick this one. We'll pick this. And this, so this trim, so that will connect the edges that are not connecting. Look at that. So let's try to connect them. Okay, then after everything is connected, you will highlight all this place, then you check this, you uncheck this, so you can see all the slopes have not disappeared. Yeah, so check this particular slope. Let's bring it back to 3 degrees. Since the roof is flat, it's going to slant very little, not too much. Then you click on this, good, finish. So let's go to 3 and check. Okay, I made a mistake here. Let me correct it. It's not supposed to be out like this. So you can notice that we have these two walls, they are coming out. So you will hold control and select all of them, then attach to top base, then you click the roof. So you can see how it blended them in. Yeah, so let's do the same thing that we did to these particular roofs, the three of them, since we're having 3 apartments there. The level is parapet. Okay, pick line, just select these edges here. So you press TR, which is the shortcut for trim, so that you connect all these edges here that are not connecting. Okay, then you highlight this. If you notice, we have all these slopes, all these angles here, they are slopes, right? And it's 36 degrees. So what we are going to do, since we are working with flat roof and we want it to fall back, we are going to select this and leave only this particular one that is towards the back, which implies that this water is going to fall back and fall. So let's uncheck this. That means they are flat, they don't have slope anymore. So the only slope we are having right now is 36 degrees, and we are going to bring it back to 3, just like we did before, and apply. Okay, then finish. Let's see it. You can see how it is. You can see the slope is here. It's very, a little bit slanty. I want it completely flat. Then this, let's click and attach to top base. Then we'll click the roof. Blend it in. Okay, then let's put for the final part and see. Change the level to parapet. This pick line. So now this will allow you to select all the edges where you want the roof to be. Select it. CR, shortcut for trim, so that you connect all these edges. Okay, once you are done and you are sure that all the edges are connected, just like we did before, you highlight this. We only need this particular slope at the back, since the roof is falling backward. That's the essence of leaving this particular one. So now make this to be 0, which is flat roof completely. So now once you apply, then you come and click an empty space. Then the only slope you are having right now, sorry, I made a mistake. You highlight first, right? Then the slope is 0. You apply. Sorry, you'll uncheck. I'm sorry, uncheck this. Okay, then you only have this. Then you bring it back to 0 and apply. Sorry, to 3, not 0. Apply. See, it's not connecting. So let's try and connect it again. How it is. Let's click this and attach to top base. Now I think everything is done. Let's check towards the back and see what we are serving. So you can see how it is. So like I said, the essence of selecting all these ones that I did in the first time. You know I selected all these things before. Alright? I selected all these. I selected all these things so that I will like change the top offset to 1200 so that it will like this roof, you know. We don't want it to be equal to the roof level. That's how we change it to 1200. So if you have any question, you know, I can explain more because I am not a good teacher. This is my first time doing such videos. Thank you.